we're going to continue working with direct variation, but this time we're reversing the process. Let's go ahead and we look at the graph and come up with the equation. So the graph is at 0, 0, and so this could be a direct variation because it has a slope. Let's take a look at the slope idea. If it has a point of negative 1, 2, the rise is 2, the run is negative 1. So look at these two numbers. You could actually use that to write your slope because the origin is 0, 0. We have a rise of 2, backwards 1, so your slope is a negative 2. So your equation would therefore be, let me grab my little pen here. Oops, there we go. And we'll write it in blue today. Yay. Okay. So we have y equals, the slope is negative 2, so write negative 2x. And we don't have a y-intercept. Well, it's at 0, 0, so we don't bother writing that. There you go. All right. And, oh, I forgot one more thing. I forgot the last part, part B, find the value of y when x is 30. So if you put a 30 in for x, you basically get negative 2 times, boy, my pen is really skipping. Let's try that again. 30. And so negative 2 times 30 is negative 60. So y would have to equal a negative 60. All right. Let's take a look. Let's go to the next slide. Here we go. I'd like you guys to try this. Graph the direct variation of the equation that passes through 4, 6. Write the direct variation equation. Okay, so let's pause there. We know that it's a direct variation because they stated it is, so we know it takes the format of y equals ax. We also know it goes through 4, 6. My y value is 6, so let's take a look. Graph it real quick. There's 0, 0. Go over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put a point. So this point is 4, 6. What's my slope? If I go, it's going to be rising 6 spaces, the y value, and it's moving over 4 spaces, the 4. Dude, there's my slope. I can just use the coordinates they gave me. So y equals 6/4x. And you're like, wait a minute, that's not right, Ms. Kirkpatrick. You're right. We have to simplify this. So we're y equals, don't change it to a decimal. Just go ahead and simplify. 2 goes into 6 3 times, 2 goes into 4 twice. And there's your equation. Then it says, and find the value of y when x is 24. So substitute your x as 24 right in here. So now we have y equals 3 halves, and then we have to put the 24 in there. Now, 24 could be written over a 1. There's the by parentheses. Can you cancel? 2 goes into 2 once. 2 goes into 24 12 times. Multiply across the top. 3 times 12. That's 36. 1 times 1. We don't bother putting a 1 on the bottom because it will turn out to be a whole number anyways. So there's our answer for the y value. All right, let's take a look real quick. And the next example is going to be on our next video.